Hindi naman ako, no. It's the act of the President. Correct. But behind that act of the President, I will educate you. Hindi akin yan lahat. Security of the country without asking the military and the national security council. Kaya yung agreement na yan, kung totoo, nasabi ko na sa mga militarya, you should not keep anything secret when you're talking about the national security. Ang mga military, nandyan talaga yan. Nandyan man si Anyo. He was my national security advisor. Advisor mo yan, Bongbong. Tanungin mo kung mayroong bang gentleman's agreement. Aywan ko, ayaw kong mag-insulto. Inumpisahan mo eh. Kung tinawagan mo sana ako, di hindi ka makatanggap nito. Ikaw putang ina ka, hindi ka nakatapos hanggang second year college ka lang. Dumaan ako sa lahat ng taga Foreign Affairs, Undersecretary Ingles, si Ambassador Terona, Viana, si David Rapos, then si Maria Sison. Doon ako medyo kaya huwag mong sabihin, mas marunong kayo sa akin. Alam kong ginagawa ko. Diplomatic and consular procedure.
Was there a written agreement and was it binding? If you are looking into the documents, that means that there was a written agreement.
Ayunin?
Yes, sir. And also, sir,
maraming agreement, Iha. When you're dealing with the foreign relations, maraming agreement yan. Not only with China, but with all of the mostly Asian countries. Hindi basta-basta na lang sabihin mo na once upon a time.
About what Harry Roque, former spokesperson Harry Roque mentioned, that if, the agreement banned the gentleman agreement, parang what he mentioned was
Hirap ka.
Walang pwedeng construction materials that can be brought to the BRP Sierra Madre and only food and water. Yun daw ang content ng agreement.
As is where is nga.
Yeah, so,
You cannot bring in materials to repair and improve.
okay. So,
Wala yan.
So, totoo, Mayor,
Totoo yan.
na mayroong agreement.
No agreement. As is where is.
So, bawal ang construction materials.
Well, ganun. As is where is nga. Kasi kung Sierra Madre pa lang, if allowed, batagalan na repair yan, nakauwi na yan dito.
And is it binding sa present administration?
Well, if he's brave enough, kaya gusto ko sabi ko, nandyan mo kaya yung Amerika, why don't the Philippine Navy get itong panghila at repair it? Or, wag na yan. Nandiyan pa kaya ang Amerika? Occupy the islands and drive the Chinese away.
Mayor, in the context of Secretary of State was given the as is where it, so the ship there will be allowed to rot in time because no repair is allowed, and which the President, which Marcos says, that is very alarming because if you cannot repair it, if it will rot there, it will be destroyed. We have nothing there.
Kaya ito sabi ko kay Marcos, stop complaining and expounding on it. Do it and repair. Yan ang sasabi ko sa kanila. I challenge them, kasi naman na sa gobyerno ngayon, di i-repair nila at gumawa sila doon ng mga bahay-bahay kung saan. If they are really ready for that. Gawain na nila ngayon gusto nilang gawin. I-patrol na nila yung Philippine Navy, the gray ships, and let us see what happens. Tapos na kami. Kung sabihin ni Marcos, all of your past presidents were failures. You didn't do anything about Sierra Madre. Mr. President, I am challenging you to go to Alonan with the other ships and repair it. Yan ang dapat following your di subukan nila. Kami takot. Ayaw namin ng gera. Kung sa kanya, hindi ba kagera kasi nandyan yung Navy, di gawain mo. You have the ironclad guarantee of the Navy that they will, US Navy, that they will all die for the Philippines.
Are we saying that the recent maritime cooperative population exercise is just a show of force, and even if Japan, Australia, Philippines, and the United States will collaborate to repair this Sierra Madre, still it's an exercise in futility?
Would you take that risk? Go ahead. Bring in Japan.
So it was a stern warning from China.
Well, that was the reply. Which warning? Well, ikaw na bala. You interpret.
If you are to advise the Philippine government in this era of Philippine government's position on the West Philippine Sea, and if you are asked to a 1 cent opinion, what will you tell the Philippine government, or what will you tell the Filipino people given these conditions?
My advice would be totally irrelevant. Sila ang magtanong doon sa Amerikano. Sila kasi ang gumagawa. Hindi naman ako, bakit ako mag-advise?